Welcome to Bharti Franchisee Kit. So in this briefcase, we'll show you the premium PVC cards and the lanyards. So this is our premium PVC card album, which include foiling cards, silver glitter, golden glitter, embossing cards, and spot UV matte gloss cards. So this is our premium lanyards of 16 mm and 20 mm with metal engraving. Very good quality. So this is our 96 cards album in which include all the samples of the cards. This is our design booklet which includes 200 designs of ID cards and the lanyards. One more bunch in it which include our metal holders with the lanyards of 5 colors. So this is all the franchisee kit. One more bunch of cards with embossing, spot UV, foiling, all the samples in it.